Alrighty, here we go, guys. We change for this. I like this logo a lot. How you doing today? Happy forthcoming, but trains not waiting. We need to fix them. So, intro, back. Yeah, it's good. And then top camera. Bam. Alrighty, guys. No video of me. I don't have space on monitor here. So I'm AK. People call me Crazy Russian, who is first time here, and I decided to do. I have an engine with the sound on the track, and track is powered, but I cut off the diesel. Anyway, so through that time we have on our hands, I decided to go and review detailed not step by step, actually, just like out of the box and not reading manual, because you guys, you know me, I'm not like manual guy. I try to figure out myself everything, but in this case, I will probably read some manual. I did not. I look at the manual real quick. Didn't use it for really finding something. Maybe, yeah, maybe one thing. So anyway, today's connection. Welcome to Human City Junction. Finally, I can figure out. Matthew, hello. Matthew One Trap. If I'm not spelling your names, guys, correctly, maybe you should change it as your. I'm just kidding. Who else? Hungry guy. That's easy, easy peasy. All right. So dcctrain.com, our website. We're remodeling still, and we're working like very hard to finish it. So every single item I'm showing actually available today. Again, at this point, maybe somebody going to run and buy it, and that's what I'm thinking. Like, the guy bought, like, just start with DCC after that 3 months actually of frustration, and whatever you guys feeling. I was working at my full-time job. Anyway, so the guy figured out what he needs, bought it, and boom. Didn't read the manual, wants to like start it like right now. That's what I'm trying to pretty much integrate to that video. Okay. Human Clay City Junction, not reading manuals. I'm a electronic engineer, and I'm good with computers, but sometimes it's some tricks, maybe you can figure out, but sometimes I honestly reading it. Okay, so guys, we just taking step by step, simple. So for connecting this unit, all right, you need UR92. See, I'm not using Digitrax like every day. Not like I know it, but I'm using Zemo. And by the way, at the end of the show, at the end of the show, I'll show you, not comparing, I just show you my different throttles, European stuff. And thank you for good advice to make like kind of comparison. Again, I don't want to start any what I don't want to say war, but it was in the late 90s and 2000. I think war is over, but it just really comparison depends what you like, really feel, and your club using. But that's not the point for today broadcast anyway. But that's the plan. So UR92 duplex, the radio. That's a good question. Radio may work, probably not. but just thought. Any Digitrax, in this case, Digital System Command Station, all right, DCS52 in this case, new Zephyr. The throttle we're going to connect, and this is just, this is older DT402. I brought it here just to show everything like kind of together, you know, so you still can use it. I have a couple of questions so far. I don't have the answer. I'll show you. So the question is, I still, if I'm stealing the address from this on this throttle from Zephyr, I still can control it. That's a little bit blurry for me. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. I'm not sure. I will read every single comment, guys, later. Okay, I just wanna keep rock and roll, and I definitely will spend 5-10 minutes if you have questions. No problem. So definitely connecting with the power supply. Okay, it's not enough power from Loconet. Everything coming with the power supply, you need to connect it to the power supply, the units, accessory decoders, anything. So this just showing you connects back to the panel here, all right? But if you first time, you might need, means first time have that set up, forget about this DT402. If you have this set up, you might need extra 6-pin crossover cable like this. I'll tell you why. Because this thing coming with a short, just like actually that particular cable, short cable inside. Maybe I'm mistaking. I think this guy is not coming. It's coming with manual, and then in the box. Give me a sec, let me check it. Yeah, and I have 2 units left. Yes, so the box has a cable. Never mind, we're good, because that's what you need too. All right, that's good to know. So why you need this cable? You need to first establish like relationship. So it the system through the panel recognize the wireless protocol and all data kind of syncing to each other. So when you connect first time when I turn it on using 3 AA's batteries here in compartment, I turn it on, but I cannot get wireless to work because of first you need to establish connection. So you have that name of the receiver transmitter, and that's the channel. You see this, you're good to go. Okay, I don't think so I tweak a lot, but it was like straightforward. So see, that throttle doesn't have anything, means it's not, let's say I didn't put any address, maybe address 3, but really active throttle. If you press this, oh, now I'm in trouble. I believe I used this last time, that's why. Okay, we'll try to fix it on the go. Yeah, here we go. Now I think I'm in a good shape. Steal it, yes. Bingo. So yeah, that needs to be a little bit play around. Anyway, that's it. That's how it's working. It's already connected. Again, I will go probably more than another 5 videos step by step, which one menu and all that stuff, but out of the box pretty much. The battery, I use it for maybe a couple of days already, like hour total, still in a good shape, no problem. So now how it's controlling 0, okay, it shows like perfect time. That thing starts flashing and display turns off. It's still acting, I think. Yeah, just display off. I think you're pressing this button and display turn on again. All right. Again, I'm learning on the go. So let's I will do another video separate for specific soundtracks decoders, turning the engine off, cutting off, but we'll start it here. I mean, it's not gonna hurt. So I'm going to higher functions. Excuse me. Recall 0 for 3. Functions. I need to go to function 26 to turn the engine on. You can hear it. Okay. We start the lights. Maybe directions is wrong. No, because I'm on function 20. That needs to be a little bit adjustment. Yeah, so I'm on first layer, I should say, of function. Turn the lights on. 5 for the ditch lights. They're not alternating because it's UP. All right, if I blow the horn, perfect. Okay. So if I'm controlling with this, oh, I'm on this throttle as well. And this is actually, yes, I reassigned to that throttle. Here we go. That's how it's switching, or you pressing L and R. So going backwards, reverse. Engine brand new, need a little bit run in. Decoder is great, sounds fantastic. So I like how it feels in my short. See my hands my fingers very short, you know, and that feels great, guys. If you have like hands like this, you're gonna love it. Changing directions here. Voila. So I think if I just put this to my different hand, I can still control it. See? That's just like swapping hands, you know. Oh, again, playing more with this. Well, the video I'm talking about will be about the cutting of the engine with function 27. That's function 27. I will do it separately, definitely. Yeah, 26. It's only one-time command, so it's sending command and it just sits in on position. You need to turn it off, and if you need to turn the engine again on, you're pressing it again. 26. That's it. Out of the box, guys. So I'm not seeing any really complicity, but if I can press the menu right now, and for example, no, just showing, I'm not gonna scare you. Utility tasks, and we're going to like throttle 3 options. Oh boy, so we're going down. Oops. That looks like return. Okay, menu. It's hard for me just be on this side. It's no problem. 3, 3. I think this is down. Okay. Yeah, so we're going. We have a lot. We have more. All right. So that's my point. I think it's going to stand by in the 5 seconds. Let's try not to touch it. Maybe the 5 seconds the impulse going. I think it's going like 10 or 15 seconds. Let's go to the engine. 22. So you need to use to be on the first layer of the functions. There we go. So we'll just test it when it's good. So I press it, so it's like 5 seconds already. We'll see if somebody, okay, I press it again. Somebody guys calculate for me and type how many seconds. So let's just blow the horn again. Okay, somebody start counting. Thank you. Straightforward to me. But again, I can control, I'm not gonna do it, but I think I can just change directions here. I don't think so it's gonna affect. Let's see when it's going to sleep. Thanks for counting. It was a little bit, that's what I'm saying, I need to figure out with DT402 when display was occupied actually. Okay, here we go. How many seconds, please? So it's turned off. 5 seconds interval. That thing is flashing. That means showing you it's the throttle is on. I don't think so. I got it like totally turn it off. Maybe it's has sleeping time. That's what I need to know, because when it will go sleeping mode and you lose in 2 hours back, you know, probably in a very safe energy mode, but just in case, you know. So it's flashing. Oh, nobody count. It's okay. But yeah, maybe 15-20 seconds, something like this, guys. Not big deal. So pressing again, and here we go. That's it. Let me read your questions real quick if you have questions, and at the end of this I'll show you European stuff just real quick. Maybe. And definitely the question was about not compare, let's put this way, wireless, because this is radio, means radio, it's not Wi-Fi on that frequency, it's a different. So yeah, depends on the amount of data traveling back and forth. You have like 5 of those, another 10 of on a huge layout. That's the really shows you which one is faster. But so far I didn't hear any really complaints on the guys layout size of the like 4 bedrooms house, you know, with full basement as a layout, you know. Usually it's cool. All right, I think you guys just talking 20 seconds. Okay, thank you. Yeah, I think it's 20 seconds, and that can be changed again, so it's not a big deal. So I don't think so, guys. If you have a question, just type it again. Like if I miss it, I'm sorry. It's a lot of activity today. Again, I don't want to like fight with it was in end of 90s and beginning of 2000, like fight between, you know, manufacturers. You know, I think we guys having fun and it's cool. NYC, New York City, cool. Europeans, that's a little bit different story, but they integrated. See, ESU integrated with Loconet. Uhlenbrock was always with the Loconet. Zemo, I'm not sure at this point. I think they're going to, but now DGKs also. So it's more integration right now in new reality, not just like proprietary stuff. I see. Okay. So arguing, means you just guys maybe comparing. Okay, means I don't mind between our new TCS. Hold on, I have it someplace. Yes. Well, this is pure on Wi-Fi frequency, right? Depends of the power of your router, you know, and antenna and the distance. Again, my concern about like the with the newer protocols, how data is traveling. Again, if it's 10 users computer connected, bunch of signaling system going on, like, man, a lot of stuff. Is this will be compare? I probably not gonna see the difference in layout like in the basement. It's just me with my personal experience. Okay, so time, guys, to show you, I just show you briefly some European stuff. We talk about now lens. I'm not sure, but I think they're going wireless too. Crazy Russian has DCS UWT. I do have one, I think. If somebody bought it only, or I need to check website. So if you guys planning to buy, I can give you better maybe discount, but I need at least like 5 throttles to sell because they have minimum, you know, discount. So not a lot of meat on the bone. Yes, website dcctrain.com. I'm not sure about this guy. It may be still on the website, maybe not, but it's brand new. I just opened it. So European stuff, again, don't please count on this. I think Lens is going with the wireless. How they doing? Not sure. Okay, that's newer LH101. Nice display, simple, and like mostly European stuff with the big knob here. You know, that's for me. So next is Rocco Z21. Same thing. That's probably my favorite at this time. That's what I'm using every day on pencil layout, on testing here and there, you know. Really like it, and it's inexpensive. If I drop it, break the hard to break it actually. Okay, and that's Wi-Fi too. You can use it with DigiKeys. Any system require, means allow you computer interface and running GMRI wide throttle server. All right, just hold on. I'll read everything. And now I didn't turn on. It's off. When it's turned on, if you never see it before, it's like a new that's new program for. Oh, let's do this. Boom. That's Zemo. 10 years design at least. It's radio, means, yeah, it's not where there's no wireless module or something. Look at this. They did it as a command station before too, but it's history. Right now they have like separate command station. Check my videos with a Zemo. If you type Zemo in a search on YouTube channel, you'll see it. Lately, actually, I did a test on my new layout I'm building. Okay, Zemo. No knob, but that's how they doing with that potentiometer. Pretty much like in the engine by itself. All right. Yes, Zemo looks completely different because it's completely different animal anyway. According your website, you have one. Yeah. Okay. So if you ordering, that will be this exactly because it's just brand new. I open up for showing. So Yeah, Zima expensive too. This is like $2,000 system, you know, and with a lower output, only 10 amps. You know, if you're doing garden, that's mostly for garden guys, or like layout, professional layout, museum type layout, you know, stuff. Mostly in Europe, you know. All right. It will be interesting to see you hold the Rocco. Yes, that's exactly. Thank you very much. Human City Junction. I will do that. Just clean my table, put these guys together, and just touch it. Not talking about technical aspect, how they feeling, you know. That's a good idea. For example, this latest lens, I don't really like of that thing, but it's really nice in the hands compared to old one, which is fine too, but there is no knob. This is original lens from 1995. Let's say they have the first real update. Okay, my system from 1990, from 1999. I think I bought it in München. Yeah, when it was train show. 99 addresses, by the way. Unbelievable. All right. LJL Rail Yard, what's up, man? Come back later when the stream is over. Watch it. It will be fun. All right. I think we kill it pretty much, guys, for right now. I'll do second video really quick about the chatting engine and back and forth, so that's not a problem. And a couple of videos about new models we just got. Hobby not dead yet. I'm starting doing DCC in about from 1999 when I saw it at the show. I saw lens. Where's lens? I saw this lens throttle, and couple of manufacturers using, like small manufacturers in European manufacturers, don't remember honestly right now, but or big stores in European stores at the show in München. Yes, I bought it next year. I think I bought it next year in Cologne. No, in München, because I did Garmisch-Partenkirchen. I traveled for skiing. Anyway, I saw a bunch of people, some big shops using this. I'm like, oh, okay. I think I need to get it, and I bought it. 500 Deutschmarks at that point. So that's how I started. 99. Hey, whatever works. Cool. Hello, Canada. Okay, that's it, guys, for right now. Type some questions. That will help me just to systemize, because next time when I will have some more issues, means issues I cannot figure out, I will do another video. Okay, but that's straightforward. Okay, how to connect. I think it's easy peasy. All right. Thanks for guys showing. Thanks for supporting business and channel. If you want to support channel, I have this Patreon page. Oops, no, this. It's like a buck. Just keep rock and roll. I bought new camera, yeah, out of my pocket. No problem at all. But if you would like to do it, I really appreciate it. You still hear the engine? It's still on. Okay, thanks, guys. Have a good one. See you soon. Bye bye.